Buzbee, the attorney representing Diddy and Jay-Z's sexual assault accusers, has been hit with another lawsuit. According to legal documents obtained by TMZ, the Texas-based lawyer is being sued by an alleged ex-lover identified as Jane Doe. The plaintiff claims she met Buzbee online in 2018 and was so charmed by the man that she accepted his date invitation. Jane Doe said she traveled to the attorney's hometown of Houston, Texas, where they went to dinner and saw a show before returning to a hotel room. The woman alleged she had sexual intercourse with Buzbee that night. However, the attorney failed to reveal he had a venereal disease. Jane Doe claimed she began feeling uncomfortable sensations around her groin the following day and scheduled a doctor's appointment shortly after. The woman said she tested positive for an undisclosed sexually transmitted disease and immediately alerted Buzbee. However, she claimed the man didn't seem too shocked and offered to compensate her with free legal advice. Despite the incident, the woman admitted she continued the romantic relationship and was even invited to join Buzbee on trips to Central America and his home in New York City. She, however, said the man used manipulative tactics in an attempt to keep his secret under wraps, according to TMZ. Buzbee denied the allegations and dismissed the suit as part of a smear campaign. "Today I was sued yet again by a lawyer affiliated with the same lawyers I faced in the Diddy litigation," he wrote on Instagram. "The conspiracy to discredit me and intimidate me from pursuing claims in the Diddy litigation has at this point become criminal. This latest case, like the others, is frivolous, laughable, and ridiculous and will be dismissed like the others." Buzbee is representing a client who claims Diddy and Jay-Z sexually assaulted her in 2000 when she was 13 years old. Jay-Z called the accusation heinous and described Buzbee as a deplorable human. "My lawyer received a blackmail attempt, called a demand letter, from a lawyer named Tony Buzbee," Huff wrote on X earlier this month. "What he had calculated was the nature of these allegations and the public scrutiny would make me want to settle. No, sir, it had the opposite effect. It made me want to expose you for the fraud you are in a very public fashion. So no, I will not give you one red penny." On Thursday, Roc Nation responded to the Jane Doe suit in a since-deleted Instagram post. Earlier this month, Jay-Z's legal team accused Buzbee of extortion and misconduct and has tried to get the aforementioned civil case thrown out. Buzbee fired back, claiming Jay-Z's Roc Nation company soliciting his clients to file frivolous lawsuits against him. He addressed those filings in Thursday's Instagram post. "It now seems that every other day there is another false claim filed, all of which are being ginned up by individuals working on behalf of or in concert with those Roc Nation and Diddy interests," he continued. "This latest one is provably false with literally no factual basis or merit whatsoever." Prior to filing it, the lawyer demanded $20 million from me, claiming that if I didn't pay, he would trash my reputation, despite being shown that his client's wild claims could not be true. "We won't just sit back and allow this criminality to continue. We have reported this conduct to the relevant legal authorities, and we'll be filing our own cases against those behind this to put a stop to it once and for all."